Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna help my parents, I'm gonna help my parents install their beautiful garden for the summertime. We basically store all of the furniture away for the winter season to make sure it's not gonna get too damaged, obviously. So I just pulled everything out of storage. It would be in the basement in our case. I'm just going to hopefully make the garden even prettier than it already is. My parents actually redid the entire space a couple years ago. It is absolutely beautiful. Let's make it even better for the summer season. We have some furniture to put in this area here. That would be the patio, and then some more furniture around the swimming pool, some lounge chairs, things like that. In the south of France, it can get really hot in the summer, so having this outdoor space, having the swimming pool is such a blessing. So we're extremely lucky to be able to enjoy this space, and I am super grateful for that. In today's video, it will be about installing all of the furniture, servicing the two other fountains we've got in this incredible space. But as you can see right now, it's a little bit of a mess, so let's go. As you can see, we have mattresses, we've got chairs, tables, a bunch of furniture. We often like to change the position of the furniture because we've got many different options. So I am going to install all of the cushions on the chairs and see how I want things organized this year. Obviously, you can move things around. This is just a suggestion. So if my mom feels like it needs to be adjusted, we can definitely do that too. We know for a fact that we want the big table closer to the kitchen because we'll use that daily almost in the summertime, and so that just is for practical reasons. So basically where you're standing is where the big table is going to be. All of the wood furniture is teak, and teak over time grays, and it's really nice to restore it, sand it down, and reapply some finish to make it really beautiful every few years. But we've got so many teak pieces in this space that sanding everything down would be a gigantic task. So we did reapply some finish to at least, protect the wood. It's not in the best condition, but we've had this whole set for years. I mean, over 10 years, if not 15 years at this point. So we're just gonna use the nice yellow cushions and call it a day. This pop of yellow is actually my mom's idea, and it's such a beautiful happy color. It just brings so much joy into the space. And my friend Anaïs used also a very bright yellow in her outdoor space. If you haven't checked it out, you should absolutely watch that video where I help her also rearrange her space for the summertime. I like this. It's really fun and really full of brightness and full of life. So nice pop of yellow for you in this whole garden space. Et voilà. In this area, we fight over the position of these sunbeds. I like to alternate them. One wood, one gray, one wood, one gray. Doesn't matter much, but I will install these. Here we go. We've used this swing for probably 20 years, more than that, I think 25 years. So I guess it's really good quality. It's been through a lot, but was painted at some point and is still holding. We've got a very nice cover that was replaced over time. Let's first do the top.
Celui-là, il y est.
Voilà. This thing has been with us for many years, but unfortunately it's really damaged at this point. My parents just got a really nice one, a new one that is a very similar shape, just for one person and not two. But I think it's time to retire this one. So we're going to put it away. We might be able to find something here to replace this piece. It's very heavy, so I'm going to definitely need my dad's help to move this piece. Alors je te laisse faire.
Là, non, là, tu peux m'aider. Voilà.
This thing spins and is just so cool. The design is just fun. Let's see how comfortable it is. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. I should not have tested out this thing now because I don't feel like doing any more work. But alas, let's go. I'm making room on this deck here because we want to have like a seating option, round table and some chairs. So let's move the rocking chair here. Well, using the hose made such a huge difference. These shutters have been around for 35 years. They are a little damaged. We are considering replacing them, but a little bit of cleaning goes a long way. Obviously, I'm gonna have to clean the windows now, but this looks so much better. I'm gonna do the other one. All of the like dust accumulated, all of the spider webs are gone. Hopefully I didn't disturb the spiders too much. I think I definitely saw couple running away. Sorry, but this had to be done. You would have seen it in my previous video. This very long extension hose is so convenient for this kind of tasks. This is not really waterproof. The paint is definitely going to get damaged with the rain. So, oh shit. Well, I need to fix this, but basically putting it here is going to be nice because it's protected from the rain. But I also want to be able to open and close the shutters. Yeah, that's nice. These are extra for whenever we organize like big parties or family reunions. We love these. They are used as decor a lot here. It's very common, and so this one has been dusty for way too long. Same thing for this little guy here. Fun fact, I never remember how these are called and always say Geico, like the insurance company, but really it's Geco. So you guys need to put the kiku.
Je crois que je l'ai bien enfoncé dedans.
Bon, c'est bon.
Youpi!
Ça marche encore. Bon.
Super.
Là, j'ai bien enfoncé
Eh ben, on essaye.
en bas.
Ah, voilà, ça marche.
Ah,
Mieux,
là,
déjà.
ça marche bien là.
Installing this one was a big struggle. We had to redo the installation several times. Turns out the hose inside was too long, and so it was pinched and didn't bring enough water to the top of the fountain. So we actually cut the hose twice for it to just stand straight. And now we have enough water. It looks great. It sounds absolutely lovely. It does this little tinting or chiming sound. It's really nice. I'm just gonna clean these white stones and put them back. Add a little bit of chlorine and we will be done. We've already been enjoying the outdoor seating, different options, and just the garden in general. It is such a nice space. We're so lucky to have this wonderful space to enjoy. I'm really pleased I got to help my parents with, just the furniture install and servicing the fountains. Next, I'm gonna go back to room makeovers and sewing projects. So make sure to subscribe to watch my next videos. Let me know if you're also working on an outdoor space. I wouldn't be doing this without you, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye guys!